If you're looking for a complete AI dropshipping course where you can follow along to build your own Shopify dropshipping store from scratch, then you're in the right place because today we're starting with absolutely nothing. And by the end of it, you'll know exactly how to find winning products with AI, build and design your Shopify store with AI, set up our offers so we're making as much money as we can from every customer. We'll also set up systems that are going to plug our leaks and not let us lose money from every customer visiting our store. So everything you're about to see in this video is the latest in AI dropshipping and is the exact AI workflow that I would use if I were starting over today. So let's get started with one of the most important decisions that you're gonna have to make, and that's choosing the right product to sell. And this has completely changed with AI. Before, people would say, hey, scroll through social media, TikTok, Instagram, until you find a viral product that has a lot of likes or solves a problem or has wow factor. And then it turned into go into a product research tool, apply all of these filters, and now kind of sort through that library. And now with AI today, you can connect those product databases full of winning products directly with Claude. So just to show you guys, under this plus icon and connectors, I have Trend Track connected. And this right here is what Trend Track is. It's a database full of a bunch of winning products that are running right now on Meta, TikTok, and Google. You can see the store, how many ads they have running, the traffic. So now you can literally go to Claude and say, find me the best products in whatever niche you want to sell. So I could say find the best products in the dog space that make life easier for new dog owners and solve problems that puppies cause. Maybe something like that, but you would choose a niche that you're interested in. For example, I have dogs, so it would be easy for me to order a product, make content, and feel if it's a good product or not. So once I type that in, I can just hit enter. So now you can see Claude is leveraging Trend Track to excavate winning dog products, and it's using real live data today. So I'm gonna click always allow, and I'm just gonna give it a couple seconds, and it's gonna give me a big list of winning products in the dog space, where before I was scrambling through filters, looking through thousands and thousands of products, and now we can let AI do it for us. So Claude just came back with a bunch of different products pulled directly from Trend Track's live data. So a lot of these are active right now, scaling right now. But just quickly, because I forgot to mention how you guys can connect Trend Track to Claude, I'm gonna leave a resource down below. It's gonna bring you here, and it's a simple step 1, step 2, and step 3. So once you guys do that, Trend Track will be connected to your Claude, and you'll be able to ask it, and it'll scrape the entire Trend Track library. Going back to our list, just to look through a couple of these products, number 1 is Dog Friendly Co. And the problem they're solving is leash pulling. And you can see that their estimated monthly revenue is somewhere between $300,000 a month. And if we look at their store, this is the product that they're selling. It looks like it's a personalized harness bundle where they have a leash, they have a collar, and I think they charge for personalization too. So you can enter your dog's name, and I think it might charge, but maybe not. I think it might be free if you buy the bundle. So this right here is an example of a really good product that solves a problem. It's evergreen, it can sell all year, and it's not something you can get at the store because it's personalized. So looking at number 2, it's Traval. The problem they solve is car safety and mess. So you can see here, it's this safety guard, but it's pretty expensive. So it's $267. It might be a little bit too high for me to feel comfortable like drop shipping it and get impulse buys. So let's look at number 3. Number 3 is called Nova Paw. Potty training accidents is the problem that they're solving. And you can see that they have a bunch of ads running, over 3,000 ads. And then looking at the traffic over the last 30 days, it's actually one of the fastest growing in this list. You can see this one's plus 57%, but this one is plus 111%. So that tells me that this is a store that probably just found a winning product and instantly is starting to scale. So let's go check out the store. I have it right here, and these are reusable dog training pads. And I know this problem firsthand because when my dog was a puppy, I was buying these training pads by the boxes. So this would be a huge help. It looks like dogs know where to go because this has some type of scent within it, which is honestly just marketing. I doubt it has a scent within it. High absorbency, it holds multiple uses. And I like products like this because they solve a problem, they're evergreen, and I really like that you can build an offer around it just like they did. So they have buy 1 for $49, buy 3, get 3 free for $150. That's an interesting offer. So far, this is actually a really good product from what I'm seeing. And yeah, yeah, this is what I was talking about, these disposable pads, because that's what I was using. And I like that if you look at the top, they're saying it's gonna save you $1,200 a year. So far out of the 3 products that we've seen so far, I actually really like this one because it's pretty lightweight. I can't imagine this costs much. I'll look in a second exactly how much it costs. So let's just say most people will probably do like this buy 2, get 1 free offer. We could add to cart. And now you can see in the cart that they're upselling a pheromone spray by Novapaw. It's a 6-month supply for $18. They're selling a pee-proof dog blanket for sofa bed for $39. So let's just say they want this spray because they did mention pheromones and things for the spray. And now all of a sudden I'm spending $117, which is exactly what I do on my stores. I have a bundle offer or a product page add-on on the product page. And then once they add to cart, I have a custom cart just like this that's going to offer multiple different products to increase my average order value. Now, the last thing I want to do is check the profit. So the supplier that I recommend, especially if you're a beginner, is using AutoDS. So in AutoDS, you can go into Marketplace and you can search the product. But in this case, I found it and it's this exact same mat here. And if we go into variants, just to show you what we can get it for, we can get this product for $14 US. And if we go to their store, they're selling one for $49. So now we know that with every sale that we get, we can make about $35 in profit with this product. And that's not even including if they buy the bundle or if they buy the upsell, the pheromone spray, or whatever else we decide to put in the cart. So now that we have our problem-solving product picked out, next we have to build and design our Shopify store. And this is where AI has completely changed the game. What used to take weeks or even months building and designing a Shopify store now literally takes like 5 minutes. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is sign up for Shopify. I'll leave a link down below that gets you guys Shopify for free and then only $1 a month instead of paying $39 a month. So click that link down below if you guys want to save some money. And once you sign up for Shopify, you're going to end up on a page that looks like this. And this is your Shopify admin, where you can see everything going on behind the scenes. You can see your orders, your sales. So what we're gonna do now is build our store with AI. Because before AI, you literally had to build all of this manually. As you can see, Shopify just gives you this bare template. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use an AI store builder. And it's the one that I use on all of my stores that's gonna build you a branded Shopify store in just a couple minutes. So just to show you guys, I'll leave it linked down below. You're gonna wanna use Atlas, the AI store builder. And once you're here, you're gonna click install. So once you install and sign up for the free trial, you're gonna click Start Setup here, and then you're gonna build a full store because chances are you're starting from scratch if you're following along. So I'm gonna click Full Store, and now all it needs is a product URL. So give it the link to your product, and you could pull it from Amazon. If you have it already on your Shopify store, you could pull it in from Shopify. I'm gonna just go grab it from AliExpress. So this is it right here. So I'm just gonna copy the link. I'm gonna go back into Atlas, and I'm gonna paste it. And you can add multiple products, but you're gonna see in a second how quickly AI builds the entire store. I showed you guys the blank template. And now in a second, you're gonna see a completely branded Shopify store built in literally just a couple minutes. So I'm gonna click add, and now you can see it pulled in the product, and you could add multiple. Like I said, if you have multiple products on your store, which will add upsells and things later. So I'm gonna click confirm product. And just like that, within just a couple minutes, Atlas took a URL and built an entire Shopify store for us. So gone are the days of spending weeks to build your Shopify store because Atlas can do it for you in literally just a couple seconds just by giving it a product page URL. So let me show you guys what it came up with. And it gives you a solid template, wrote all the copy, but we're obviously gonna go in and just update some of the pictures here, some of these as seen on logos, but it gave us everything. And this is 95% done. But once you're done with that, you can import and edit in Shopify. And now that we published, Atlas is prompting us to set up our bundles. And this is perfect because you don't have to get another Shopify app. So what I'm gonna do is say, yes, use Atlas's recommended bundle. So we have buy one, we have buy two, get one free, which is exactly what our competitor was doing. And that's a really good offer for you guys to test. So I'm gonna click next. And now as you can see, Atlas is gonna set up our cart upsells. So notice our competitor had bundles and they had a custom cart. Atlas can do all of that for you pretty automatically. So I'm just gonna, for now, use Atlas's recommended cart upsell and click next. Later, I'll customize it, I'll make it perfect. So as you can see, this is the product page that Atlas built for us. And if we would have did it ourselves, it would have took us forever. Even just little details like our reviews, these benefits here, this bundle thing, this would have been a whole different app. And then even just little details like this testimonial, it would have took us forever, days, even weeks, making this perfect. So in just a couple minutes, it built this for us. So I'm gonna quickly go ahead and just touch it up. I'll replace the product image. I'm gonna replace some of these images here because like I said, it went off of an AliExpress link with not much on it. So I'm gonna touch it up to show you guys what the finished product should look like. And just like that, after just a couple finishing touches, the store is done. I went ahead and changed the colors. As you can see, I went with tan and then I went with this blue. I added a trio offer here. So single, 2-pack, 3-pack, and if they get the 3-pack, they're getting this free potty training spray. So encouraging them to spend more money. And that's the nice thing about Atlas, it's all in one. I also used ChatGPT to just generate some photos. And then if we scroll further down, you can see exactly how I filled everything in. So I added a testimonial here. I added the as seen on logos. It's the exact same template. I literally just added pictures, changed some of the colors, changed the font a little bit. And it's the exact same thing. So use Atlas. It's going to make your guys' life so much easier and also have all of the elements that you need to make more money from every customer visiting your store. For example, this 2-pack, when they get to the website, is pre-checked, just encouraging them. Like you can get 2 for 20% off, or if you get 3, you'll get this free product. Let's say they just take 2, they click add to cart, and then in the cart here, you can see that it all matches. We have a cart upsell, we have shipping protection, and then they can get to checkout really easy. And just to show you guys what it looks like if you just use Shopify's free template, this is it. So you'd have to kind of build it all out from scratch, and it doesn't really give you anything, where Atlas just built that all for us in just a couple minutes. So before you start spending money on ads, there's 2 levers that turn me from breaking even on a lot of my stores to being extremely profitable. And the first one is product page bundles or add-ons. So just like this, bundle and save, and encouraging people to take a second product or a third product. And also cart upsells. So that's the first lever, just getting customers to spend more money. And the second lever that saved a lot of my stores was making sure that I was not leaving customers behind that showed an interest in some of my products. And what I mean by that is going after the customers that abandoned checkout. So now I email them, I text them. I even have an exit intent pop-up that pops up on my store when they're about to leave my store. Let me show you guys how to set up your email automations, your text automations, and more importantly, an exit intent pop-up that I'm sure a lot of you guys don't have on your store, but this can save you and make you so much more money. So the first thing I want you to do is go to Omnisend. I'll have it linked down below, and it's going to bring you to this page right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click start for free. So now it's going to prompt us to set it up. And if you guys don't have Omnisend set up on your store, I highly recommend you guys do so because it's literally 3 clicks and you're going to have SMS set up, abandoned checkout, email set up, and I'm going to quickly show you exactly how to set up an exit intent pop-up. So make sure to click sign up with Shopify, and then you're going to get to this page. And if you're already logged in, you can just close this out and then just click install. And now on this page, it's just asking you to upload your logo, and then you can change the brand colors here to match. Once you do it once, it's gonna apply to every single email that your customers get, so it looks way more branded than any default email. So I just quickly added the logo, changed it to tan, made it match my store. Now I'm gonna click Save Brand Assets. And then from here, I want you to go to Automations here on the left. And now all you're gonna do is click Preview and Start Workflows. Like I said, in one button, it's gonna help you recover abandoned carts and checkouts. So I'm gonna click Preview and Start Workflows, and I'll show you guys how it works. So now it's asking us, well, what do you wanna give these customers now that they've left your store, they abandoned their cart? And I like to give them a bigger discount. So I'll say, if they have left and didn't purchase, offer them 15% off to come back. So I'll select 15%, start workflows. So now as you can see, our abandoned checkout and our abandoned cart emails are all set up. So I can click into one just to show you what it looks like. And as you can see here, this might look like a little confusing if you're a complete beginner, but what this is it's just saying, hey, when a customer abandons their cart or their checkout, it's gonna send them this email right away. And this is what it looks like. As long as you added your logo, the colors, it's gonna look exactly like this here in the corner. So if they get that email and they still don't purchase, it's gonna wait 11 hours, as you can see here. Then it's gonna send them this second email. If they still don't buy, it's gonna wait 12 hours, and then it's gonna send them this one with that 15% off discount. And the next thing I wanna help you guys set up is your exit intent pop-up. I can almost guarantee there's like nobody talking about this. So let me go ahead and show you how to set this up in Omnisend. So you're gonna go to forms, and once you get to this page, I generally will just search exit, because what we're looking for is a discount on website exit. So a pop-up will appear and say, hey, wait, before you go, get 10% off or get 15% off. So let me show you guys how it works. I'm gonna click use template, and this is what it looks like here, but everything is customizable. Like I can type in here, I could change the fonts, change the colors, change the background image, or remove the image entirely. So I'm gonna leave it as is just to show you what it looks like on the store. So I'm gonna click enable form. So now that we're on the product page, let me show you guys how the pop-up works. So let's pretend I'm a customer. I'm just scrolling through, I'm reading everything, I'm looking at everything on the website. But now watch my mouse. As I go to close the tab, the pop-up should appear. So I'm gonna move it up. And as you can see, there's the pop-up. Obviously customize it to your font, your colors, your store, but that's what you wanna do. Just get them to stop and at least think about it. And you can make the discount whatever you want, 10%, 15%, 20%. And now with AI, you saw how fast it all worked. We found the product, we built the store, we set up the offer, and now any customer that comes into our store has a higher opportunity to purchase because we're doing everything we can to bring them back if they were to leave or even try to leave the store. So now all that's left for us to do is connect our Shopify store to Facebook and then set up our testing campaigns. So let me show you how to do that. The first thing that you want to do is make sure in the search bar at the top that you search Facebook and you install the Facebook and Instagram app. And it's gonna bring you to a page like this. And all you have to do is kind of go through and connect it. It's literally just a green button that says connect, and you'll connect your pixel, you'll set up the catalog, and then everything will connect easily. And if that sounds overwhelming, don't worry, I have a complete step-by-step, click-by-click free course. I'll leave it linked down below. It's a 21-day course that walks you through literally every single click. So once you're in your ads manager, you're just gonna set up one campaign, and the budget depends on what you're comfortable spending for testing. I recommend at minimum $20 to $30 a day. If you have just a little bit more capital, anywhere from like $50 to $100 a day is generally like a really good testing budget. So you'll have one campaign, one ad set targeting the United States. And then inside of the ad set, I recommend having anywhere from 5 to 10 different videos. And then from there, you'll publish your campaign, you'll let it run for 3 to 5 days, and then you'll analyze the data from there. So that's exactly how real AI dropshipping businesses are built today and exactly how I build mine. So if you followed along with this video, you should have a Shopify store that's ready to launch. And don't let it sit there. Actually put it out there to the world, collect data, get your first sales, and expand and grow from there. And if you guys want to learn how to build, launch, and get sales within 21 days, I'll leave my free course, Dropship in 21 Days, link down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.